Firstly, you'll need to check a couple of things. Check the weather. Bad weather can affect your signal, and you may need to wait for it to improve. Check that nothing is blocking the dish. If you live in a flat and continue to see a message, please contact your property management company. If you have more than one box and they're all affected, please contact us on 0333 759 3014. If your screen still displays a message, follow these 4 steps. Switch the box off at the mains. Check the dish input cables are properly connected and secure. Switch the box on at the mains and wait for 4 minutes. Press the Sky button and see if your channels are working. If you're still having problems, you can book an engineer at this link. Or contact us by following this link. In the meantime, you can watch Sky TV on demand or on a compatible device with Sky Go.